Hello students. In the previous video we studied about different type of soil, that is alluvial, black soil, red and laterite soil, arid soil. So today in this video we will continue about studying different type of soil. So let's start. So first is a saline soil. So as the name suggests, it composed mainly composed of salt. So this is also known as Usra soil. That is, we have studied that during ancient time. Salines, there are two type of soil, that is Urvara and Usra. One is fertile and other is sterile. So saline soil contain a larger proportion of sodium, potassium and magnesium. So they are very infertile and they do not support any vegetative growth. So they have more salt, as I've already told you, because of dry climate and poor drainage. So they are in arid or semi-arid region, mostly in the region of Gujarat and some parts of Rajasthan, and these are also found in the waterlogged or swampy area, that is the area where too much of water is present there, like area of Sundarban Delta in West Bengal, and the southwest monsoon also brings salt particles from the nearby sea, that is Arabian Sea, and which also cause the deposition of salt particles there, and which affect the soils and it make its sterile, means not useful for vegetable growth. So, and there are various man-made factors are also related to saline soil, that is excessive use of irrigation. This has been done during the time of Green Revolution, and the mostly state which have been affected by this are Punjab and Haryana and Western UP. So here, due to extra water irrigation or excess use of irrigation, soils become infertile. So farmers are advised by the scientists, or that agriculture scientists, to add some gypsum to solve the problem of salinity in the soil. So that's all about saline soil. Next we will study about peaty soils. So these type of soils are found mainly in the area of heavy rainfall and high humidity, where humidity is also high and rainfall is quite high. So where there is a good growth of vegetation. So vegetation should be in grow in good amount there in peaty soils. So a large amount or large quantity of dead organic matters found there, which helps in humus and organic content of the soil. So organic matter can be found 40 to 50%, and these soils are generally in black in color, and mostly the area in which this soil is found in the southern part of Uttarakhand, that is from Haridwar to Roorkee to Dehradun, because their rainfall is also used, and vegetation is also used in number. Then northern part of Bihar, this is because of here too many rivers passes through this time, and even during present time there has been occurred Bihar flood. You must be familiar with some current affairs. So in these areas and some eastern coast, that is eastern Ghat, some part of West Bengal, Odisha and Tamil Nadu, this type of peaty soil is found there. So next is forest soil. So as name suggests, forest soils are formed in forest area where sufficient rainfall is available. So the soil vary in structure and texture depending on the mountain, that is high snow mountain or lower mountain. So in high snow mountains, this type of soil is acidic in nature. So these type of soil are less fertile as comparison to in lower Himalayas or in the lower mountains or lower valleys, where soils found to be some type of fertile. So this all we have studied about the soil. So next topic is soil degradation. So in a broad sense, or in a in broad sense, soil degradation can be defined as defined as decline of soil fertility. Means when soil loses its fertility, it's become sterile. When the nutrition status decline, that is composition of potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, potash, these minerals decline, and depth of the soils goes down. Means due to erosion and misuse. That is, the upper layer of soils has been removed by various factors that can be termed as soil erosion. So in total, what we can define about soil degradation is the process in which soil fertility decline, and nutrition status also decline, and depth of soils goes down due to erosion and misuse. So soil degradation is the main factor leading to the depleting soil resources base in India. That is, the source for agriculture and other purpose is also depleting or decreases because of soil degradation. So the degree of soil degradation vary from place to place, and according to topography, wind velocity, amount of the rainfall, that is velocity, rainfall, man-made activities also help in the soil degradation process. So next is soil erosion. So these two topics, that is soil erosion and soil conservation, will study in next video. Thank you, children.